Wow, look at that. What is up guys, my name is Chase and today we are going to be unboxing the brand new iPad 10th generation in blue. I got the 64GB model, so why don't we open it? Wow, so here's our new iPad. Also, we have some paperwork and whatnot. There's iPad. Opening up the booklet here, we have some new quick start guide stuff. It shows you how to use the new iPad now that there's no home button. And thank gosh, we have Apple stickers. Thank goodness. I mean, sometimes I buy these expensive products just for the Apple stickers. We also have a USB-C to USB-C cable now that the iPad has switched over from Lightning to USB-C, and we even get a little charging brick, so that's cool, and it's a USB-C one, so that's good. And so here is the actual thing itself. Let's get this little cover off. Ta-da! Oh my goodness. It is so blue. That is a really nice blue. I really like that. Here's what the blue looks like. Yeah, it's a super duper awesome looking blue. I love it. So this is the new iPad 10th generation. And so just for a quick few comparisons, here's the iPad in blue, and then here is the iPhone 14 in blue. So here's what the two blue devices look like next to each other. It looks so good. I'm so happy. I think blue is probably one of my favorite colors, so having blue devices makes me really excited. But I think the more important comparison is this right here. This is the 7th generation iPad. I got this for Christmas one year, and I've been really enjoying using it. Obviously, since it's the 7th generation, it's a few years old, but here's what the two iPads look like next to each other. Obviously, we have a lot of design changes all around. This camera is huge compared to this little one on the 7th generation. Here's a little profile shot, and that is compared to the 7th generation iPad. What do you say let's turn on the 10th generation iPad and have a look? There's our Apple logo. So it's probably also worth noting that we have speakers on both the bottom and the top of the device. The camera is now moved into this little landscape area right here, which I'm not gonna lie, is still kind of weird for me to wrap my head around. The fact that the camera is in landscape rather than portrait is really gonna throw me off, especially since the back camera is in the portrait rotation. We also have the Touch ID button at the top and the USB-C port on the bottom. Anywhoozos, here's our first look at the iPad 10th generation display. It looks super duper nice now that I finally have an iPad with a screen that stretches all across the device. So let's take a look at what we are working with here. To be honest, something that I wasn't expecting to be very excited about with this iPad is the camera. I know it's always kind of been a meme of people using cameras on their iPads, but this new 10th generation iPad now supports up to 4K at 60 frames per second recording on the rear camera, so I definitely want to try that out. I think it'll make this device really great for anybody starting out with content creation. So here is what our iPad 10th generation looks like. Listen, I've never used any of the newer iPads like the iPad Air or the iPad Pro, which does have this Liquid Retina display. So having it for the first time here in my hands, it looks so good. And also here's a comparison with the 7th generation iPad here. This is the 10th generation iPad here. A very big difference in the screen. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and set up this new 10th generation iPad. I also ordered some accessories here, so if you want to watch me unbox these accessories, feel free to check out the next video. Let me know in the comments if you guys picked up any of the new iPads. For now, thank you so much for watching this unboxing. My name is Chase, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.